Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the stunning 2025 Mercedes Motorhome, a luxury home on wheels that blends iconic automotive engineering with exceptional comfort for life on the road. Stepping outside, the exterior of the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome is a true head-turner. Its aerodynamic profile is accentuated by bold chrome accents and sleek LED headlights that give it a sophisticated, modern look. Power retractable awnings, integrated outdoor speakers, and generous storage compartments make outdoor living just as enjoyable. Let's start with the heart of the interior, the bedroom. Mercedes has truly elevated the concept of a restful retreat. You'll find a spacious queen-size bed with premium memory foam that promises hotel-like comfort no matter where you park. The ambient lighting around the headboard creates a warm, inviting glow, perfect for winding down after a long day. Moving into the seating area, you're greeted by an elegant lounge that showcases Mercedes's commitment to both style and practicality. Plush swivel captain's chairs up front seamlessly integrate with a modern L-shaped sofa, finished in soft-touch leather. This area effortlessly converts into an extra sleeping space, ideal for guests or family. Now, let's explore the kitchen area, designed for those who love cooking even while traveling. The 2025 Mercedes Motorhome boasts a gourmet galley with solid-surface countertops and a deep stainless steel sink that makes meal prep easy. A 3-burner gas stove paired with a convection microwave ensures you can whip up anything from quick snacks to elaborate dinners. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by Mercedes's latest 3.00-liter turbo diesel engine, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers excellent torque for highway cruising and mountain climbs alike, while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The advanced suspension system also ensures a remarkably stable and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. When it comes to price, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome starts at around $195,000, depending on the chosen floor plan and optional upgrades. Considering the luxury features, advanced technology, and Mercedes' renowned reliability, it's a solid investment for those serious about life on the road. On the safety front, Mercedes has packed this motorhome with cutting-edge driver assistance features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist,